Hello, good morning students. Children, in this lesson number 7, plants living and surviving. Last week we had discussed about the plants, how they adapt to the environment they live in. And you have seen that plants that grow on land, how they are of different types because of the quality of soil differ from place to place because of the climatic condition, and all these affect the different types of plants. We have studied about terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants, again I am repeating, are the plants that grow on land. And we had discussed that how the plants that grow in the mountain areas or the slopes of the mountain, they are tall and straight and they have needle-like leaves. Then we studied about the plants that grow in desert, how they don't have leaves, like cactus, they don't have leaves but they have fleshy stems which store the water. And we studied that the date palms and other things that grow in the desert, they have the roots very long, and so they collect the water, or they take the water with their deep, long roots which go deep under the soil. We studied that the plants that grow in the plain lands have lot of branches, and those branches they are very well developed plants, and they have many leaves, and mostly the leaves shed their leaves in autumn or winter. The plants that grow in the places where there is heavy rainfall, we studied that they remain green throughout the year, and they are the plants that like rubber and teak. And then we studied about the smaller plants like cotton and sugarcane, they grow there. And the unique type of plant that grow in the marshy land where there is waterlogging are the mangrove forest, where the roots, because it is filled with water, the roots come out of the soil and they keep on coming out of the soil and as if hanging, and they need breathing. They have to breathe in, and so they are called breathing roots. So all these type of plants we studied in terrestrial plant. Another type of plants we are going to study this week are aquatic plants. What are aquatic plants, children? By the word aquatic, aqua, A-Q-U-A, aqua means water. You must have seen, or maybe you have in your house, aquaguard. Words related to aquarium means, aqua means water. So the plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. Now what is the spelling of aquatic? A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Again I am saying to you, and repeatedly I am telling you that please learn the spelling. Aquatic plants means the plants that live in water. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. They grow in water, they need water to grow. We are going to study that there are 3 types of aquatic plants. And what are they? The 3 types of aquatic plants are floating plants, plants that float on the water, fixed plants, plants they grow in water but their roots are fixed under the pond or these water bodies, fixed plants, and underwater plants. By the word underwater you can understand that they grow under the water. So these are the 3 types of aquatic plants which we are going to take up one by one. Floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. Again I am repeating, aquatic plants that grow in water are called, plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Aqua means water, and there are 3 types of aquatic plants. They are floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants, which we are going to take up one by one, children. And there are different types of aquatic plants you must have seen, especially lotus, okay, water lily, These you can see. Okay, we are going to take up one by one all the three types of floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Okay, they all belong to which category? Aquatic plants. Okay, thank you children.